And good morning, folks. Like BA of Step 1 Survival, I got my winter hat or fall hat or my hunting hat, and I want to welcome everybody aboard. Hi, I'm Uncle Al, and we got a package from Gil that I won on his great giveaway. Yeah, I always like US Postal, comes in safe. So we got a magnesium fire start. Please check out Gil's channel. That's Camp Patton Family Compound. We have um, on Friday a live stream. Please check it out. Go to his YouTube channel and see on the dates and stuff when they come out. Please check it out. That's Camp Patton's Family Compound. And this is from Gil. We got a match case and we got striker and more matches. Yay! Wonder what kind of matches. Oh, no, just the regular kind. Okay. And then we got a knife fork set. Yay! Lexington. I think that's the one. That goes great with my knife fork set. I prefer metal, but this is great. I collect these things. I have a Yugoslavian one I'm still trying to figure out. It's like this and that. You try to eat with a 3-prong thing, it's really hard. Yeah, let's see. Oh boy, a stove. Okay, it's a little pocket stove. And these are really great, folks. I've been using Sterno for years. Sterno. But these are more modern, more 20th century. I'll probably do a demonstration and review on this. These are really good and very practical. Thank you, Gil. Oh, another trick is these things have what this thing is for folks. It's a flint striker. Once you run out of matches, you scrape your knife very carefully over the thing. Ferrocesium rod, and you can make your fire. I'm old timer, so I do this all the time. Somebody give this to Manhandle and Boneyard. They probably need this, but make sure you give them glasses. Later on, I will be digging out my oh boy, Survivor. It's a type of knife. It's pretty good. I really like these knives. I'm a knife nut. This is a Western Hunter discontinued by Cold Steel. Really like this knife. It's great for butchering and kitchen work. And basically, it's a camp knife that I use when I'm on the field and cooking stuff. So a lot of people say, it's not a Rambo knife. I don't want a Rambo knife. I want something I could use for cooking. And people wondering why it's on my desk. Well, I eat with it and I open letters with it. Let's see. Packaging. Okay. Oh, wonderful knife. Now let's see. Do not eat. Okay, I'll eat that. And it has a ferrocesium rod, which is pretty good. Ooh, that is nice. That's a nice little knife. Okay. I'll probably re-rig it and put something on it to hang it on my chest like this or like this. Normally, I don't like to do belt things, but I do like neck things. What else we got in here? Ooh. We got a pair of P38s. Always one of the guys who knows how to trick. Now, some people can't use these. They're a pain in the butt. Now, a simple way is you want to use this part, but your hands have difficulty manipulating it. So what I tell a lot of people is you take a piece of plastic, a tubing, and you can fit it right over this, and then you have a good grip for your hands. All you have to do like that. And I show that trick to some people who had manipulation problems. I'm getting to that point pretty soon, but I use the Australian ones. Oh, this is great. This is Forever Match. Has a little end that you strike for this. Really great. These are really great gifts. And it also fits on a keychain. Might be going on my survival necklace, but yeah, it would probably go on my survival necklace. Okay, and we got Friends of Lens. These are great. I always have one in my kits, my pocket kits, but this is really great. Thank you, Gail. And then we also have more the Zippo kind of rod or Farnesium and a striker. Really good. Thank you, Gail, again on this one. Another Friends of Lens, too. This is really great. And then we have the survival tool. With the little survival card. Now, I did test these things. This one is a little better than most of the Chinese ones. Can opener, this one has been sharpened. The edge has been sharpened, screw tip sharpened, good. It's stainless steel. Saw blade's good. Okay, screwdriver, you got a can opener. Wish it was a little bit more pointy, but that's okay. A knife edge. Okay, screwdriver. Let's see, saw blade for cutting twigs. Butterfly wrench. Don't know which one is that. Lanyard hole. Okay. Cap opener. This one, I think. And let's see. Direction auxiliary indicator. I think it's the big hole. But this is interesting, and it's a great little survival tool. Mostly what I use them for is this, and hopefully kill somebody. But ask Dave about it at Southern Ohio Preparedness. He's on the road again. And Ohio, pretty soon, in a couple days, we'll see that horrible, horrible, horrible snowstorm. It comes in a little kit. And that's it for our unboxing. So you have a nice day, and I'll catch you later, folks.